So my name is Holly Hosmer. I'm an academic advisor in the Advising, Retention, and Career Center, and I teach Gen 250, which is academic and career exploration.
Yeah.
So the purpose of the course is to help students spend some time reflecting, learning about themselves, and then doing some very intentional career and major exploration activities. So the course is really set up almost as a series of workshops where students are really doing a lot of self-reflection, a lot of group processing, and really focusing on understanding themselves, their values, their interests, their goals in life, and then taking that information and then connecting with searching for information about careers, about majors, about different possible career paths, about different ways to meet different objectives or goals in your life. So because the purpose of this course is to help students really grow personally, it's really important that students are really engaged and interactive in the course. So a typical class might involve some individual reflection, it might involve some small group processing or discussion. Sometimes we'll do presentations. So for example, there are times when students will do some research outside of class and bring that to the class. We do a lot of focus on some actual job searching skills, things like resumes and using your LinkedIn profile and using different resources available on the web or elsewhere to help doing research and looking at careers and things. So all of those things combine in different ways into the class. This is a course that students really take for themselves. So it's a 1-credit course, it's an elective, so it does count towards graduation, but it does not fulfill any particular LE requirement or other requirements that people have. So the reason students take this class is to have a really systematic way to do what students are doing anyways. So students are reflecting upon their goals and their vision for their life and how they're going to get there and what different routes they can do or they can choose and what direction is right for them. So those are things that students are doing anyways, and so this is just doing it in a systematic way with some guidance from myself as the instructor. We rely quite heavily on career services to bring in a lot of pieces. So it's something that students really do to help them either confirm the decision that the direction that they're going or to help guide their direction.